Namaste. I am Sridhar Joshi. I belong to Indian Administrative Service, Maharashtra. I retired as Secretary to Government of Maharashtra. Thereafter, I work as member and then Vice Chairman of the Maharashtra Administrative Tribunals. During my service in the IS and in the tribunal, I got an opportunity to have comprehensive and extensive knowledge relating to disciplinary proceedings. Therefore, after my retirement, I authored my first book titled Disciplinary Proceedings Why Administrative Tribunals Interfere. This book was written and authored by me only with an intention to share my knowledge with central government employees. This book was published by Yashwantrao Chaman Academy of Development Administration, Pune, which is an apex training institute of Government of Maharashtra. Thereafter, I wrote few books in English as well as in Marathi relating to Maharashtra Civil Services Disciplinary Appeal Rules 1979. I had also an internet blog on departmental inquiries for the central government employees as well as state government employees. I had also an opportunity to impart lectures on this very vital and important topic of disciplinary proceedings in the various training institutes located in Pune. Friends, with this long experience in IAS and the tribunal, I am fully convinced that many of the disciplinary authorities, inquiring authorities, presenting officers, defense assistants, are not fully conversant with the provisions in the constitution, in the rules, and also about the landmark judgments of the Supreme Court. The result is the sincere persons are denied justice and guilty persons go unpunished. And therefore, a new effort is being made by me by starting a new video channel titled Disciplinary Proceedings from Today. On this channel, I propose to upload at least one video every week. Now, in these videos, I will be discussing the provisions in the constitutions, provisions in the CCA rules 1965, the government circulars, the important judgments on various aspects relating to the disciplinary proceeding. Friends, this video channel will not only benefit the central government employees, but it will benefit the employees of public sector companies or corporations, including public sector banks, because their rules are also similar to CCA rules 1965. Friends, I have a firm belief that everyone can contribute to the society, whatever his ability is. And therefore, I have decided to make effort by running this video channel. In this connection, I remember the words of Rabindranath Tagore. What Rabindranath Tagore has said. The setting sun asks the world, what will happen when there will be complete darkness? Everybody kept quiet. An earthen lamp from the corner came forward and said, I will give the light to the best of my ability. Friends, I am also making an effort to impart whatever the knowledge I have about the disciplinary proceeding to you all. I am sure you will like this video. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and also subscribe to the video channel and press the bell icon so that when I upload a new video every week, you will get a notification. Let us meet next week with a new video. Thank you.